Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cumberland County, northeastern Prince Edward County, northwestern Nottoway County, west central Amelia County, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Guinea Mills, Oregon, 7 miles south of Dillwyn, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Guinea Mills around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Painville, Rains Tavern, Reeves, Angola, Stoddard, Deatonville, Rodolpheville, McRae, Burke's Tavern, and Moran.